This single Etsy listing has made over $25,000 in under a year. Why did it perform so well? What did I do? And why did buyers respond so quickly? What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to be doing a case study and analysis on a listing I created in a student's store. If you're interested in hands-on mentorship, go ahead and book a free consultation call in the description below. If you're new to this channel, my name is Dave. Go ahead and subscribe. So the first aspect of this listing's success is going to be two big things, and that's going to be personalized name, so custom name going right on the product, and it's a gift for a specific person. Those two things right there, those are huge on Etsy. Those have massive search volume, no matter what type of gift you're looking for or whatever the name is going on. A large percentage of Etsy searches are those two things. So if you're watching this, and you want to apply that to your own store, that's why I'm making this video, so you can apply some of these things to your own store. Some of these things you're not going to be able to apply. However, I want to provide the educational value of this case study so you can kind of learn the marketplace, understand the marketplace, take what you can from it, and just learn. So the custom name, if you're watching this, you can slap that onto a shirt if you're POD. If you're handcrafting everything and you are able to put a name on it and gift it to a specific person, then go ahead and consider doing that. The second aspect of this product is that it was in a specific niche and it was a high demand niche. More specifically, it is a profession. It's a gift for a profession. So profession gifts are another highly searched thing on Etsy. So right now we have three high in demand aspects to this product. So it's no question really why it did so well. Sometimes you can be on Etsy and you're wondering to yourself, like, how did this do so well? When you understand the marketplace and you understand the algorithm and you line up all of these different things, it becomes less of a how the heck and why the heck. It more becomes a when the heck it's going to happen. If you line up all the right aspects, then it's going to happen for you. It's not if, it's when you will be successful if you understand these things and you apply them. So, a quick side note, aside from these, the obvious aspects of this product do apply. It had great photos. It had good SEO. I did the SEO and it was gift oriented. I already mentioned that, but it had really good products. It had really good SEO and it was priced appropriately. Now, everybody, you don't need to watch a video on those three things. That's not what this video is about, but I do want to mention that those things are very, very, very important. However, we want to talk about the other aspects in this video. All right. So specific niche. So far, everything we have is custom name. That's big. Gift type, keyword, and phrases. That's big. For a specific niche, a specific profession, that narrows it down. So we have a high demand thing narrowed down. That's really big. The next thing is not going to be able to apply to everybody, but I want to provide it for the educational value. So this is a product that not everyone can make. This is a product that requires special equipment to customize, to do. So that in itself, just by filtering out a lot of competitors and a lot of people, it has a high barrier of entry. So that, of course, is going to take the cake in terms of easier success. Nowadays on Etsy, everyone and their brother and their grandma and whoever else with the laptop that searches up make money online, eventually will consider and or try print on demand on Etsy. There is an extremely low barrier to enter the space. So you do have to consider that. And when you have those special characteristics in a store, whether it be handmade, you have a handmade skill that you developed over years, or special equipment that you use on the products, that inevitably does remove a lot of competition and makes it easier to succeed. Now, you can have a great skill and you can have great equipment and not be good at the marketing and this Etsy selling specifically, and that is the case for a lot of people. I see a lot of talented products on Etsy when I'm personally shopping, some of the coolest products I've found on Etsy that I myself purchase and or want to purchase, they're from stores that don't really have it together. They don't have all their ducks in a row. But who am I to contact them and be like, hey, I'm a YouTuber and I can help you. That's not why when I'm shopping, I'm obviously not doing that. But I just wanted to mention that that a lot of the talent on Etsy, some of the talent on Etsy doesn't have the entrepreneurial talent that is required. So just a side rant. Sorry about that. The next aspect, the fourth aspect, is that there's another customizable factor to this product. It was a bundle. So you can choose different things that go into this bundle. And that, again, adds a level of customization that makes it special. So with all four of these things combined, you have a perfect storm. Now, these four things plus good photos, good SEO, good pricing, etc. Yes, but these four things is what I wanted to cover in this case study and tell you about. So to review, it's custom name, a gift, a specific niche, a specific profession. It's a product that requires actual equipment, and it is a bundle of some sort. Now, if you want me to enter your store and do listings for you, hands-on mentorship, and coach you, go ahead and book a free consultation call in the description below, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a beautiful day.